Hello everyone, I'm Mike Levin of Levinix, and today I will be unboxing the DasKeyboard Professional Model S Silent Mechanical Keyboard. Currently I use the Unicomp Model M buckling spring keyboard, which is probably the loudest, most tactile keyboard on the market. And I also use the Commodore 64X that has cherry blue keyboards, also quite loud. And this new keyboard I'm using has what's called cherry brown switches inside of it, which are supposed to be good for having a mechanical keyboard which is silent enough to not bother your neighbors. So this video and upgrade is really for them. So I set my tripod up, focus, and open the box. I ordered it from Amazon Prime. It was a little bit over $100, so these keyboards are definitely for people who take their typing seriously. The mechanical clicky effect is said to improve your typing productivity, and I certainly believe that. There you have it, mechanical keys that don't have that related clicky effect. USB, two USBs, so it works as a hub, and a connector for the old PS2 style ports in its feet. And that'll just be put right over here to replace my my old IBM or Unicomp Model M, which is made by the same factory that used to make the actual IBM keyboards. There's a very colorful story there. Well, anyway, that's all. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.